Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a not so Halloweeny Madame Glam gel polish swatch video for you. For those of you who did not get my introduction, I do or present to you mainly Halloween related videos in the month of October through my Halloween party series, but Madame Glam also contacted me and asked me if I would like to join their pink campaign. As we know, October is a breast cancer awareness month and their color is actually pink. So thank you so much to Maria and Madame Glam for sending me these 4 gel polishes, and in today's video I will be swatching them for you so that you see how they apply, and at the end I will come back and also share my thoughts on them. You can also use my 30% discount code Judy30, and of course there will be an official hashtag, that's hashtag madamglambca. I will of course link for you everything in the description box, so definitely check everything out there. And through this collection, our Madame Glam created this special collection called Think Pink, and for any gels sold from this collection, Madame Glam will donate $1 to the cause. I will link you the link to which polishes actually are eligible for this $1 donation after you place your purchase. I do hope that you will go ahead and check out their selections and support a really good cause. Typically, I love Madame Glam gel polishes. Their regular formula is great, so I do have high hopes for all of these 4 gel polishes sent to me. If you like live swatch videos, then of course don't forget to thumbs up my video and also show some support to the Think Pink campaign that way. And if you are also interested in seeing my future videos, then definitely subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that a lot, and I will probably have a giveaway very soon, as I did hit one of my goals for this year, so definitely stay tuned if you would like to also participate in one of my giveaways in a very near future. Alright, now back to these gel polishes. So I will of course swatch these for you as I mentioned, and I will be back after I swatched all of them. guys, what did you think about these gel polishes from Madam Glam? I am not a pink polish lover or pink color lover in general, but as I mentioned at the beginning of my video, their formulas are usually on spot, and every single one of these gel polishes was just awesome. I was very impressed by Sangria. That was a full-on one coater, but my favorite out of these four was definitely Popsicle. That is this polish right here. I just like how it looks on my nails. I just like the undertone of it, and yeah, I think it's just my favorite out of these four. So definitely I would recommend you that one, but all of these are beautiful, and if you like pink polishes or gel polishes, you will absolutely love these. Again, don't forget that in the month of October, Madam Glam is supporting a cause called Think Pink. There is everything will be in the description box, so definitely please go check it out. Click on the link that is in there, and you can also use my discount code Judy30, which will give you some off on their gel polishes. So thank you so much again, Madam Glam and Maria, for sending these to me, and thank you for supporting a great cause for the month of October. I am lucky enough not to know many people who have breast cancer, but it is important that we keep this up, and supporting a good cause like this is awesome. So thank you so much, Madam Glam, for the support that you are giving to the community, and I'm really grateful for getting these gel polishes for review. Alright, so let me know which one was your favorite, if you ever tried Madam Glam gel polishes, or if you also have someone in your family who is fighting breast cancer. I think that's all from my end, so I am very happy that I can be part of this campaign, and hopefully we can support the community together. So thank you so much again, guys, for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.